Welcome to the best picks. The best vinyl glue is probably one of the most important things to consider when it comes to repairing or maintaining your inflatable products. A high-quality adhesive ensures a strong, lasting bond, protecting your investment and extending the lifespan of your inflatable toys, pool floats, or other valuable inflatables. Choosing the right glue can mean the difference between a quick, effective repair and a frustrating, leaky mess, saving you time, money, and potential safety hazards. Number 5. AquaPro 66 Cement. It performs exceptionally well in various conditions. You can use it in temperatures from 35 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, underwater, and it remains workable. Setting the industry standard, it's known for its strength and flexibility. It's perfect for vinyl repair, maintenance, and manufacturing. It's incredibly versatile. Use it for sealing seams, applying decals and patches, adhering moldings, and more. It works on a wide variety of materials. Application is a breeze. Use the included brush or a roller for smooth, even coverage on vinyl fabric or hard plastic. It's made with pride in the USA by RH Adhesives, a company with a legacy of quality since 1949. What we like. It's made in the USA and can be applied in various conditions, even underwater. If you need a super strong and versatile adhesive for all your vinyl repair needs, this is the one for you. This is perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need a reliable solution for various materials and challenging environments. What people say. It glued edges that don't wrap around anything, which is pretty cool. This stuff has excellent hold in heat and wet conditions. The AquaPro vinyl cement is easy to apply, and it creates a durable and long-lasting bond. Number 4. Gear Aid Aquaseal FD Adhesive. Say goodbye to rips and tears. This amazing adhesive is here to help you repair your gear, making it as good as new. It's not just waterproof, it's also flexible, ensuring your repairs can withstand any adventure. It creates a strong, yet supple bond. From waders and wetsuits to PVC inflatables and more, it's the ultimate solution for all your repair needs. Use it on a variety of materials with confidence. Simply apply it to the damaged area, and let it cure. It forms a watertight seal that won't peel or crack, even with extreme temperatures. It's built to last. This adhesive resists abrasions and scratches, ensuring your repairs stay intact. Get back to your adventures worry-free. Find the perfect size for your needs. It comes in a convenient 0.75-ounce tube or a larger 8-ounce tube for bigger projects. What we like. It creates a flexible, durable, and clear bond that won't crack or peel. If you're looking for a long-lasting, invisible repair on your outdoor gear or wetsuits, this is your best bet. Its flexibility ensures it moves with the material, preventing future damage. What people say. Goes on smooth and smooths itself out when done in a warm environment. Dried solid and is not sticky. I had put my nail through the butt of my wetsuit after not using it for a long time, and I used this stuff as directed to amazing results. It functions, no leaks. I've used this product on several repairs, and it has performed flawlessly in all cases. The seal is perfectly waterproof, tough, and even adds protection to my knees when I am kneeling on the ground. The repair is incredibly strong, yet flexible, and 100% waterproof. Number 3. Loctite Vinyl Fabric Repair. It's formulated for repairing flexible plastics. Use it on vinyl seats, cushions, or even outdoor gear. It works wonders on rips and tears. This highly flexible adhesive withstands bending and torsion. It provides long-lasting repairs to seats, clothing, shoes, and more. It dries clear and transparent, making repairs virtually invisible. The easy squeeze tube makes application simple and precise. This high-speed adhesive sets in just 10 minutes and fully cures in 24 hours. You'll have a strong repair in no time. It creates a waterproof and resilient bond, perfect for repairing raincoats, pool toys, and other items exposed to water. From minor tears to major damage, it provides a strong and lasting solution for a wide variety of materials and applications. What we like. It sets quickly and dries clear, making it ideal for small, detailed repairs. If you need a fast, invisible fix for items like vinyl seats or clothing, this is the perfect choice. The quick setting time is a major advantage for those on the go. What people say. Worked perfectly to reattach vinyl weather stripping. I used this to create a camping tarp setup and it withstood 12 hours of non-stop raining. This is amazing stuff. This is the only glue that really holds on my alternating pressure pad air mattress. It bonds almost instantly, so I can just patch and keep using the mattress as I'm bedridden and can't be without one. My air mattress is all vinyl. Number 2. AquaPro Repair Kit. Say goodbye to frustrating leaks and tears. AquaPro is a heavy-duty, waterproof sealant designed for all your inflatable and outdoor gear repair needs. It's easy to use and provides a long-lasting, durable fix. First, clean and dry the damaged area. Then, apply a generous layer of AquaPro sealant, using the cord for larger tiers. Let it set for 2 hours, and you're ready to go. It's perfect for PVC and PU inflatables, kayaks, pools, hot tubs, and more. This versatile sealant is your go-to solution for keeping your gear in top condition. It's not just waterproof, it's also UV, heat, and cold resistant. This ensures a long-lasting repair that can withstand various weather conditions and heavy use. With its simple application and impressive results, AquaPro is the ultimate solution for repairing your valuable gear. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. It's designed for heavy-duty repairs and is super easy to use, even in the field. If you need a reliable solution for repairing inflatable boats, pools, or other large inflatables, this kit is perfect. The included cord provides extra reinforcement for larger tiers. What people say. It is simple to use and it really is effective in sealing pinhole leaks and leaky seams. This was purchased to repair a brand new paddleboard. It worked so well to repair the board that I decided to try something crazy. Our sailboat has really nice fenders that match. I used the PVC repair and let it sit for a full day. I then gently pumped it up and it held. I waited a day and inflated it to full size and it continues to hold air today. I had a pea-sized hole in an Intex inflatable and this totally fixed it. I can inflate it to full capacity without any issues. Super sturdy fix. Number 1. RHHH 66 Vinyl Cement. It performs exceptionally well in various conditions. You can use it in temperatures from 35 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, underwater, and it remains workable. Setting the industry standard, it's known for its strength and flexibility. It's perfect for vinyl repair, maintenance, and manufacturing. It's incredibly versatile. Use it for sealing seams, applying decals and patches, and adhering moldings to a wide variety of materials. Application is a breeze. Use the included brush or a roller for a smooth, even coat on vinyl fabric or hard plastic. It's made with pride in the USA by RH Adhesives, a company with a long history of quality, dating back to 1949. What we like. This American-made adhesive bonds in tough conditions, underwater, and is incredibly strong. If you need a heavy-duty, versatile adhesive for a wide range of materials and challenging environments, this is the ultimate choice. Its superior strength and versatility make it ideal for demanding projects. What people say. Worked as advertised. Tried several other adhesives on reinforced flexible, billboard, vinyl and they didn't hold. This actually welded the pieces together and I could not pull them apart after a few hours. Built a custom interior den for practicing golf. Made the den from a 600 by 600 denier 100% polyester canvas that had a plastic PVC backing. As expected, seams and holes created for hanging the den became the weak points and started splitting after many direct hits. Tried numerous patching glue options. HH66 vinyl cement appears to be the winner. Easy to apply, maintains a reasonable level of flexibility, and so far, has shown to maintain the best adhesion. I used this glue to attach 3-inch diameter D-rings to my vinyl boat. I did the surface prep as shown on various YouTube videos, wiping with fresh acetone. The product instructions say alcohol but videos say alcohol is like the third best choice after MEK, acetone, then alcohol. So, now the D-rings are attached and seem very strong. I would like to believe the glue bonded with the vinyl so the joint is actually one melded piece. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.